So I started a skincare line. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so special because I will be talking about our newest brand launch, Desi Skin. Also, to get out of the way, yes, I am brunette now. I decided to go back to my natural hair color, or as natural as I could get it. And I just feel a really great energy. I love it. I feel like myself. Not a big deal. Not of importance in comparison to this video, which is talking all about Desi Skin, everything you would want to know, why I decided to do a skincare line. There is so much to say about this project, so I really hope that I get it all in one video and I answer all of your questions. I have my notes here because I don't want to forget anything, but of course, if I do, because I probably will, don't forget to leave it in the comments and I can respond to your questions there. Also check the description box. I'll try to leave as much information just in case there as well. And then again, make sure you're following the skin page, Desi Skin. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So just to give you guys a little bit of background, Desi Skin has been in action for a little over 2 years now. This has been something I've been working on. So I have been simultaneously working on Desi Sunny's eyewear and Desi Skin this whole time. I'm sure some people are thinking, why skincare? Why not makeup? Listen, I love makeup, but I really wanted to love myself without it. Skin has always been something that over time I have grown more and more passionate about. I wanted to create a brand that was going to combine both form and function. That was really what was important to me when creating Desi Skin. I don't just want anyone to feel like it's just marketing and beautiful packaging. I also want it to be amazing formulas that work using good ingredients and just collecting all the knowledge that I've gained as an influencer and put that all into my brand. And I think that is one of the benefits of being an influencer, creating a skincare line. I know a lot of people will question, like, would I trust a skincare line from an influencer? And I think that's very valid, and I think you should question anything that you're trying from anyone, really. So I'm making this video because I want to be fully transparent. I know everyone has different skin issues, different skin irritants. I will be transparent and list all my ingredients, why I chose to do certain things, and just pretty much anything that I could possibly tell you about this process so that you can make your choice whether you want to purchase the product or not. By watching this video, you're already doing enough and supporting me by leaving these sweet comments on the Instagram account. It is very overwhelmingly just amazing, and I'm completely grateful to you guys. So let's just get into everything. Does this product deliver bright, glowy, and even skin tone? Claro que sí. All right, so our first product that we're gonna be launching with is the Claro que sí Vitamin C Glow Serum, because of course, yes, this product does deliver and it does give you brighter skin, softer, more supple skin, all of the things, the glow. It's such a great product. Like, I'm very, 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 very proud of this formula. I actually did an interview and they had asked, do I feel like I will be excluding anyone by having a Spanish name of my product? And I said, no, absolutely not. I feel like, if anything, it's more inclusion. There's so many French names that I've had to say with beauty products that I have no idea how to say. So if maybe some people can't pronounce it, you just gotta, YouTube the name, which I have done many times for other brands so that I could make sure to say the name right. Claro que sí, claro que sí, claro que sí. You got this. Ooh, she is beauty and she's grace. She's Miss United States. She's elegance, and I don't know the rest of the words. So this is the outer packaging. It's simple, chic, recyclable paper. I just love this. I'm obsessed with it. The tones. Has the Desi logo here, which you can't really see in this lighting, but beautiful. And then this. So when you feel this in person, you're gonna be like, oh. It is one of those things that when creating this, I wanted it to feel like a beautiful piece of art that could sit on your bathroom counter, that you are proud to sit on your bathroom counter. Kind of like a perfume, how we display our perfumes because they're beautiful bottles. I wanted you to feel that way with this bottle, and I promise you when you see it in person, it looks even better. Just know it's glass, it's like kind of heavy, custom tooled cap with our logo on the top, and then the pump is also monochromatic vibes. It's a little bit deeper of a shade of the bottle. It's gorgeous, darling. It's gorgeous. We are vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, free, of all of these things. All right, so some quick details on our CLARO QUE C Vitamin C Glow Serum. It does contain 15% vitamin C. It is $64. It contains 1 fluid ounce of product. I love to apply my vitamin C serum after I wash my face. I'll typically apply it in the morning, and then I apply my moisturizer and my sunblock. Vitamin C is gonna fade your dark spots. It's going to brighten your complexion and also give you a more even skin tone, as well as protect your skin. It's full of antioxidants. Vitamin C is gonna help block oxidative stress, and what that essentially means is just Earth, the world, smoke, pollution. Those things break down collagen, and I do not want my collagen broken down. Thank you. Vitamin C eats up copper, which is used in the reaction to create melanin. Melanin is what is going to give you, obviously, dark spots and hyperpigmentation, so it's going to stop that. What makes my vitamin C serum different? I think it's important as a consumer and also as someone developing anything is what makes your product different. We've actually integrated 3 forms of vitamin C into our formula. There are 3 types of vitamin C infused into the oil-loving and the water-loving phases. So this now allows skin absorption on 2 levels, the water-loving and the oil-loving parts of your skin. There's multiple vitamin C's that you can formulate a product with. Some are more stable than others. Vitamin C is already, 1, a very expensive product to formulate because vitamin C is just expensive, and 2, vitamin C can also be pretty unstable. So in developing our serum, I decided to use tetrahexyldecyl, which is also known as THD. THD is one of the most stable forms of vitamin C and also one of the most expensive. When looking up vitamin C serums on the market that are formulated with THD, a lot of them, if not all, I'm not saying all because I may have missed some, but are over $100 because it's so expensive to formulate with. It's a really great form of vitamin C. And I wanted to use that in my product, but still keep it at a good price point. And that's something that was really important to me. $64 is expensive, but it is not expensive for the formula. So I just wanted to point that out because it's important. This formula is powerful. THD is an active form of oil-soluble vitamin C which improves collagen synthesis. It's clinically proven to significantly brighten and even the skin tone. It's also lipophilic, meaning it's believed to penetrate the skin barrier better than other forms of vitamin C. This also contains over 99% purity ethyl ascorbic acid. Just at 2% of this type of vitamin C, it's clinically proven to help brighten and tone sun-damaged skin, including dark spots. That's at 2%. Our formula contains 8%. It also provides powerful anti-aging, antioxidant effects. Okay, so then we have DP-C. That's a name that we made up because it is our cocktail. It just dramatically enhances how your skin absorbs the product, skin penetration. So we also have Desi Youth Juice. Now, Desi Youth Juice is just a little piece of me in the formulation, and there's a lot of brands that have little special cocktails that they put into their product. But what I want to note is that these ingredients are not only in here for marketing, they're actually in at an active level. So they are going to work. They are very powerful antioxidants. So this is a little tribute to me growing up in Mexico in the summers. It is a lot of different fruits that I just have great memories of that are full of antioxidants that can do amazing things for your skin. I thought it was special. Memories that I hold super dear to me, and I wanted to add it in. This product has changed my skin. I have never felt so confident in my skin. I actually feel better without foundation now. I still wear it obviously because there's a moment for like a moment, you know what I mean? But I wanted to actually do this video with not a full face of facial makeup, although I do have a little wing, because I wanted you to be able to see my skin. I think that's really important. Texture is also very important to me, and I think my background in makeup artistry is where I was able to understand what I want in my skincare, especially while wearing it under makeup. Something that really was important to me was that every product that we formulate wears well under makeup, because the last thing I want is to apply my foundation over my skincare and then it starts to pill. And I know you guys have experienced this because products tend to do that. They tend to pill under foundation. So everything is tested under a full face, and this lays so beautifully under your makeup. I'm talking just beautiful. Some vitamin C serums can tend to be a little bit more sticky. This is not sticky at all. It's this really full body, milky, like beautiful texture when you first pump it into your hands. And then when you apply it to your skin, it has this beautiful break and just melts into the skin. To have this information for anyone who wants to purchase this product of how it reacted differently with different skin types, different age groups, ethnicities, and skin issues. So we did the industry standard, which is 30 women. The results after just 2 weeks even were incredible, and I'm really, really happy with these results thus far. Of course, they are still testing, so hopefully with these first results, they will only get better. These women obviously don't know me. This is a company that does the testing. This was a blind test, so the bottle had no markings. They couldn't tell what brand it was. They just knew what it was, like what type of product it was. And these were the results. I'm gonna share them with you. 100% of women in an independent research study noticed softer, more supple skin. 100% of women noticed more moisturized skin. 97% of women noticed smoother skin. 94% of women noticed brighter and more radiant looking skin. 91% of women noticed their pores appear less visible. 91% of women notice skin feels more balanced. Okay, so I have a story about my friend who had these dark spots, and she's had them for a long time, like since I've known her. She's been talking about these dark spots. And overall, she has really great skin. She always talks to me about these dark spots, and I'm like, okay. And she's tried everything. So when I gave her this product, I said to her, please try this. If it doesn't work for you, just tell me. I want you to be honest. Don't feel bad. You won't hurt my feelings. Like, I want you to tell me exactly what happens when you use this. She said, okay, I'm gonna take it, but don't get your hopes up, because honestly, you already know. Nothing works for me, like nothing. So I said, okay, that's fine. At least I know then that there, are certain things that I'm just not gonna be able to like fix for you, and that's okay. So she took the product. I didn't hear back from her. I was like waiting for a text about anything, like even the texture, nothing. Like she never said anything. I honestly already automatically assumed that she was just not gonna say anything because she didn't like it. But then after a month of using it, she hits me up and she says, hey, do you wanna see these before and after pictures? She's tried so many products, and this is only after a month of using this vitamin C serum, and this is how much her spots have faded, which I think is so amazing. She sent me these pictures and she said genuinely she sees such a huge difference, especially in person. She said her skin looks overall more radiant and just glowier and brighter. So we were both really excited about it, mostly me, because I really just kind of wrote it off as like, okay, this didn't work, like fuck. But it did, and I know that people want to see these shocking before and after. Like, I think that this is pretty amazing. I think it's amazing. I know people want to see like these crazy dramatic before and afters, but this is like a realistic, she is not a blogger or anything. This is like her pictures at home, and I am really thoroughly impressed with them. So that just made me so happy and excited. We have some more launches coming up. Our next launch is happening in summer, and the product is, again, amazing. A lot of people, whether you wear makeup or don't wear makeup, are gonna love this product. It has innovative packaging. What else can I say? Oh my God, my notes are everywhere. I hope I said it all. I've been filming here forever. that's everything. So if I missed out on anything, make sure you guys just ask me in the comments down below. Check the description box where I will leave a lot of info. We launch on April 8th, 2021 at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, like I said, even if you watch this video, you're supporting me. If you left a comment, you're supporting me. And that's really all I need. So I'm very grateful for you guys. I hope you enjoy this product as much as I do. I already know you're gonna love it. So that's everything.